to the channel. Today we're going to make a plant-based version of French bread pizza. First, let's gather our ingredients. We have some plant-based mozzarella cheese. We have some marinara sauce, olive oil, crushed red pepper, and some plant-based pepperoni slices by Field Roast. I also have this loaf of whole wheat French bread that we get from Walmart. And then I'm going to take some cloves of garlic and smash them with my spatula. That helps get that paper covering off. Then we're just going to peel it, put it in a little container. It's about 3 large cloves of garlic. Then I'm going to add some olive oil to that. Then we're going to swirl it together and let it absorb the flavor of the garlic cloves. Set that aside, and we're just going to cut up a pepper. You don't need very much because we're just making enough for the big bee and myself. We're going to get all those seeds out of there and just slice it up into bits. This will be the topping on our pizza along with the pepperoni slices. Next, I'm going to take the loaf. It wasn't the whole loaf. We had already eaten some of it. I'm just going to slice it lengthwise into 3 crusts. Once I have that laying flat, I'm going to put it on my air fryer basket. And then when it's all ready, we will put it into the toaster oven. The extra slice I just put onto the 1 extra pan I had for the toaster oven. Now we're going to take that oil that's been flavored with the garlic cloves and spread it over the French bread. Next, I'm going to take those garlic cloves and dice them into small bits or mince them, and then spread those over the French bread as well. Next comes the marinara. I spread it evenly over the French bread. Then I tried using the spatula to spread it out. I gave up on that and just started spreading it with my hands. It was much easier. Next comes the plant-based mozzarella. Choose whatever brand you have available near you. Then we're going to top the shredded cheese with some plant-based pepperoni slices. Of course, if you don't have this available, you could use some plant-based sausage. You could use other veggies. Next, we'll top it with the chopped peppers. These are sweet peppers. And optionally, you could add some red pepper flakes. We do like a little bit of spice. You could also add some nutritional yeast to it as well. Once it's topped, you're going to put it into your toaster oven or your regular oven. I set my toaster oven at 400 degrees and we toasted it for about 12 minutes. You might want to check it around 10 because every oven heats differently. Once the first tray was out, I added that second tray. And here it is, all toasty and melted. It smelled so good. Now let's get it sliced up. I just used my pizza cutter to do this. You could also just do it with the butcher knife. We sliced it up and we had it with a healthy serving of salad on the side. I hope you try this recipe. If you do, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Have a great day and we'll see you next time.